We'll try this, see what happens. Well, we were able to get this one, thank goodness. And yeah, we're going to do it to it. Well, as you can see, Start all over there. I messed something up here. I've lost my oxygen. Somehow I've lost my oxygen. All right, folks, so finally got a handle on it, finally figured it out. I did not master the torch, but I've learned how to somewhat use it and use it good enough. I got this one out right here, and we got the last one out over there. I'm going to leave these two in because, so we've got 3 out and 3 in. I'm going to leave those for now. They've still got just a little bit of meat on them. I had 2 jobs come in. We're already behind on a 2,000-foot water line, a septic system. We got another septic system waiting. 2 more just came in today. So this has taken me forever. And I finally figured out what to do. But let me tell you something, folks. You use these things like I've used them, and they last about 30 minutes, maybe 40. And I'm talking about a solid use. Let's just say 40, but probably 30. Yeah, so it's number 1 tanks, and that's very small. Yeah, and it's $40 to get them filled. Now, that's not terrible, but when you're only talking about 40 minutes at the most, yeah, it's a lot of money. What is that, $1 a minute? 40.42, which was Holston gas, almost half the price as air gas. So, yeah, crazy. So, thumbs up to Holston. But anyway, so I learned somewhat of what to do to get these pins out if they get stuck. And that's it, folks. So, yeah, we got it finally. I'm so thankful. That's for sure. Well, it's probably roasting hot, so I need to be careful. But anyway, so let me pause it. Let me flip it over. I'll let you see the other side. The other side doesn't look so pretty. Oh, not a real good video. So sorry. I did my best. So when you don't know what you're doing, you get all flustered and crazy and angry and all that other good stuff. But yeah, let's put a couple of teeth on. You'll see how that works. Oh, good Lord. All right, how's that look to you? All right, good enough. All right, so we got our little thing here, and that's it. Just that simple. Like so. Good goobly goo, folks. It's just that easy, man. I wish I had time to replace those other teeth, but I do not. These end ones are the ones that wear out first. Let me show you what I did. Can you see that? Yeah, that's porta-torch, little Lincoln porta-torch. So, for some reason, when I got rid of the tooth, the old tooth, when I cut it out and pulled it off, for some reason, it was so much easier to get the pin out. It just was way easier, so I'll know that next time. So, lesson learned, that's for sure. This is an expensive process. The teeth aren't cheap. It takes a lot of time if they're stuck to get them out. And if those pins are stuck, then it'll be expensive getting them off. I'm going to say these will probably cost about $120 just to get off there. We bought the porta-torch. So, yeah. So $450 plus 120 for teeth. But that's the thing. I mean, if you're going to do it, if you're going to do this kind of work, yeah, that's it. So, whoa, sorry. So, yeah, crazy. So, we're entering an age of used equipment, used vehicles, and you need stuff like this. Now, we got a couple of welders, but, this is our first cutting torch, and we absolutely need it. First time I've ever replaced the teeth on this 3-foot bucket. Now the other bucket I've replaced the teeth before. That's the 2-footer. But yeah. So we're gonna keep gas in stock, oxygen in stock,